It may not be well known, but you can actually make money online by typing names. To be more specific, you can make money creating and selling names to companies. By coming up with cool, imaginative names, you can easily earn $300 daily by typing names online. So today, I want to talk about this relatively unknown online money-making opportunity because I think it's yet another excellent side hustle idea. Ready to get started? Here's everything you need to know about making money by typing names. How can I make money online by typing names? It may sound unbelievable, but it's true. You can earn money just by typing names. And in fact, there are actually a couple of different ways to type names and make money online. But today, I want to focus on one typing side hustle opportunity in particular, which is offered by an online company called SquadHelp. What is SquadHelp? SquadHelp is an online crowdsourcing platform that helps new businesses discover great name ideas, logo designs, and taglines, all created by SquadHelp's online community of over 70,000 freelancers. On SquadHelp, businesses or entrepreneurs can purchase names, domains, logos, and branding that are created and sold by freelancers. They can choose to purchase these on the SquadHelp Marketplace, an online shop of thousands of brand names, or by creating contests for freelancers to enter into. SquadHelp Marketplace makes money selling names for companies. Did you notice the price tag on that one? If you're the creator of this business name, then you're going to make a killing when it sells. I say when because there's no shortage of businesses and entrepreneurs on SquadHelp. To date, they've helped over 14,000 brands worldwide find their perfect name. And it's no wonder why they choose SquadHelp because businesses, known as buyers, can also conduct audience testing on their shortlisted names, have SquadHelp research and file for trademark protection, partner with SquadHelp branding consultants to run contests and find and secure names, logos, and taglines from start to finish. Is SquadHelp legit? Yes, SquadHelp currently has a 4.6 out of 5 excellent rating on Trustpilot. So if you want to get paid to name companies or tap into thousands of name ideas for your business, then you should definitely incorporate this high rating into your decision making. Can you make money on SquadHelp? In short, yes. You can definitely make money creating names for companies on SquadHelp. However, in order to really be successful in SquadHelp and make good money typing names, you'll need to come up with genuinely creative and original names, or if you so choose, logos and taglines. So if you have good name ideas, then how much money can you make? Well, the amount of money you can make on SquadHelp depends on how many contests you enter, what the prize money is, how many you win, and if you take advantage of the marketplace and sell in there. The prize money amount for each contest primarily depends on the pricing package a business purchased. To give you an idea, SquadHelp offers the following plans for business names, and you can see how much you'll earn for winning each type of naming contest. Bronze business cost is $299. Prize to creative is $135. Gold business cost $449. Prize to creative $200. Platinum business cost $749. Prize to creative $300. Managed business cost $999. Prize to creative varies, but expect $300 to $500. Related read 25 legit ways to make instant money online. How do I sign up for SquadHelp and earn money typing names? Signing up for SquadHelp is easy and better yet free. All you have to do is head on over to SquadHelp and click sign up in the top right hand corner. You'll come to this account setup screen. SquadHelp sign up to make money typing names. If you're wanting to get paid to name companies, then click where it says join as a creative or marketplace seller. How do you make money on SquadHelp? Number 1, enter contest. Now that your account is all set up, you need to enter naming contests and start winning them. If you want to make money typing names, this is the best way to make that happen. SquadHelp contests usually run for about a week, and you'll typically win between $100 to $300 per contest, although some do pay winning creatives even more than that. You'll want to start by searching active contests that you can enter into. I recommend filtering the search results by naming only, active contests, and prize guaranteed. If you're curious about all the types of contests you can enter into, they are naming only, naming and taglines, tagline only, logo and design. So if you feel equipped to enter into any of these other types, then go straight ahead. Again, the more contests you enter, the higher likelihood that you'll make money. Now, as you're searching for naming contest, they'll say who can enter and what you need to do to enter. Other things you'll notice about the contest search results is that they'll specify the prize amount by a jewel icon, the company's industry, and whether or not the contest is open to all creatives, or what's known as Tier A creatives. What are Tier A creatives? Well, these are squad help creatives that have proven over and over again that they have good naming ideas, and usually have won multiple competitions or sold names on the marketplace. So how do you achieve Tier A status? The answer is simple. Don't just enter random names into contests. Yes, you can make money by typing names on this platform, but your names must fit the business's description, be unique, appealing, and also have a corresponding domain name available. Don't worry though. Squad Help will automatically check to make sure your clever name ideas are also available URLs or domain names. Now, once you've entered a contest, you'll be able to see how successful your name ideas have been. Businesses will mark your ideas as either no thank you, on right track, like it, love it, and shortlisted. If your names are marked love it or shortlisted, then you know you have a chance at winning the contest and that glorious prize money. Number 2, selling names, logos, and taglines on the marketplace. Another great way to use Squad Help and make money online by typing names is by selling on the Squad Help marketplace. Typically, you won't just put names up for sale though. You'll create a brand package of sorts that includes company name, corresponding domain URL, logo, a brief about description, possible uses, what industries and types of companies the name match well within, root words used, key emotions and feelings, the name triggers in consumers. The better each of these sections is, the more likely you'll be able to make money creating and selling names. And there are tons of business categories you can start creating names for. The top categories on Squad Help are beauty, agency and consulting, e-commerce, fashion and clothing, finance, real estate, and tech. You can create and sell names in whichever categories pique your interest, or whatever category you feel you've got good ideas for. So how much can you make selling on the Squad Help marketplace? Well, if your names, logos, and descriptions entice businesses, then you can sell branding packages for thousands of dollars. Yes, thousands of dollars. Most sell for $2,000 to $5,000 each. And if your names don't sell quickly, then after a while you can change your price and put them up for bidding. Businesses can then make offers which you can compare before choosing the highest one. So if you have great company name ideas, start typing away and sell them on the marketplace. This is an excellent way to make more money on the Squad Help platform, especially if you can create attractive logos to match. Like most online side hustles and money-making ideas, typing names on Squad Help, when combined with other online opportunities, is the best way to earn really good money and boost your income. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe for more online money-making methods. If you want more videos like this or have any questions, leave a comment down below.